Hi guys, I'm here as all player again, but I decided I wanted to get into a craze with everybody else. I'm seeing all over YouTube how people have now gotten these fidget spinners. I don't understand what all the fuss is about. I bought like three. I think I've lost two of them. I keep this one because it's pure metal and it cost me a lot of money. But I decided I'd make a video talking about how they ain't that bad and probably easy to make. I wonder if I can make one. That's what the rest of this video is going to be. Let's go make it. Time for speed lap. But yeah, that's my idea of fidget spinners. They're boring, waste of time, but that's pretty much what they're made for. I don't think they're worth it. I think they're fun to burn. Especially that horrid thing I made that deserved to burn. Alright, have a nice day. Talk to you guys later.